Thomas through and just give him a little peek. Hey Heirloom family, it's your boy Jeremy, and we are here in the beautiful area of Chehalis, Washington. We have the honors of being here at the Chehalis Indian tribe. We are actually here with Brian, one of the members. We're getting ready to meet one of the head, I believe it's the chief. He's coming and taking a look. This is the first of 6 units that we're building for them. It's a 26-foot legacy that we made custom for them. Their actual wood of nature for them is cedar, and so we ended up doing the legacy in an all cedar theme, especially for them and for their tribesmen. So to all the Chehalis tribes members, thank you so much. You guys will see us today. We're going to set up, get everything going. This is a great celebration, as it is the first one of 6 that are going to be here, and plenty more to come. So stay tuned, and we'll be back.
Jeremy, this is our chairman, Mr. Pickernell.
Jeremy, thank you so much.
Very nice to meet you. Thank you.
Good to meet you.
The honor's ours. So
Absolutely.
this is the first of 6 coming your way. So
Great, we appreciate it so
absolutely.
much. Can you walk him through this,
Absolutely.
or have Margo walk him
Will do.
through this?
Yep,
I want
absolutely.
him to be the first one to walk in.
Brian, do you have the keys?
I gave it to him.
Nobody home.
There will be.
Have a stone rigid core floor, and we've also put in a Murphy bed here with the couch option. So once the Murphy bed slides down or pulls down, you have extra sleeping space here. Your mini split for your heat and air conditioning is right up here. And there we have a
Television's right
fold-up
here.
table.
This table's gonna get swapped out. I'm in the middle of doing actually your guys' basket logo on our tables, but I want to make sure you guys have one here just temporarily. It's just that it took a lot for the CNC for programming, so I'm getting that done on all of your guys' tables, and then we're gonna end up putting an epoxy fill. So I'll swap the table out, but I want to make sure you were set.
That's going to look really nice.
Yep.
So what we have over here is you have a 2-burner Furrion electric cooktop, a 2-burner cooktop. So there's no hotness here. So, you know, if you have little kids or anything in here, you don't have to worry about them burning their little fingers or anything, or the elders if they get older. Nice electric oven in here. Beautiful fridge. This is an apartment size fridge.
By the way,
Oh, sorry. So it is a decent sized fridge and freezer, so they'll have anything that they need. And then over here we've got a beautiful bathroom going in here. And then there's storage over here. There's a pocket door, even though it's taped off right here, there's a pocket door that goes in here. This is where your washer and dryer combo is, so it does washing and drying all in one machine. And it's ventless too, so yeah, there's
fully
no
self-contained.
The whole idea is that it was 100% self-sufficient, right? If we have somebody that's required to do the medical there, they're 100% self-sufficient,
Yep.
and that it was respectful living where they felt good. And so they have a TV, they have a full bed, full kitchen, full bathroom, able to take care of washer and dryer. And the other units are even bigger, so for a family. So, which are even
This is the
cool.
small.
This is the
This
small.
is the small one. This is the small one.
This is
26
awesome,
foot.
man.
And then the other one is going to be 30 feet, and so you're going to get about 4 more feet of length. So the next
Is there a
ones that
wall
come
here, or is that
are
all the heat and air conditioning?
That's all heat
So
and
big,
AC, and
they
that
are
thing
really
blasts
cool.
out.
Very
That's
long.
rated for 750 square foot.
Well,
So you'll have plenty of
I
cooling and warmth.
am
Yes,
telling
absolutely.
Brian and the other fellow.
TJ.
I'm so sorry, TJ.
Thomas, yeah.
I was telling TJ how honored we were and how blessed we are to be a part of your project. So we are so thankful.
We're just glad there's folks out there like you that can supply us with this kind of need that we need to bring to our people back here. This is becoming a need here because we have a lot of our tribal members that are at home with their parents but would like to move out.
Yeah.
So this would be the perfect starter place for them. Get on their feet, get their credit rolling,
Yep.
get what you need to do, get your finances in order so you can move to that next step of home ownership.
That's nice. It even freaking
It
pulls
swivels,
out.
it
Yeah.
pulls out, so no matter where you are in the
Yeah.
home, you can see it from anywhere. You can enjoy it on your
Even doing the dishes.
on your bed.
Yeah.
You can be watching our YouTube too
Yeah,
while doing the
That's
dishes.
right. That is so awesome.
See, you volunteered for dishwashing.